Hey guys, it's me, Emmy, and today I'm going to be doing Valentine's Day craft/gift cards that you can give to your family or friends or boyfriend or whatever you want, whoever you want to give this to. So I'll be right back once I get the stuff that we need. So I'm back, and the first card we're going to be doing is the heart-shaped card. So what you want to do is you want to fold this in half. By the way, this is like one of the easiest cards. Fold it in half. And then you want to draw with a pencil half of a heart. Like this. And then you're going to cut it out. And since I'm using scissors, for any little kid watching this, don't do this without adult supervision. That's why I have my mom right there behind the camera. And then you got your heart. You can make it big or small. I decided to make mine a little small. And then you can decorate it and color it any way you want. So I'm going to do a time lapse of me doing that. Okay, so I'm back, and I just kind of scribbled on it because I didn't really want to take that much time, and I'm not really giving this to anybody. So, so here's the ass of the card. It looks like a heart, see? And then you open it up, and you see a nice little love note. It's upside down, but it says, "I love you." And you can decorate this however you want, though. It's not, it's up to you. So let's get on to the next craft. Guys, so I'm back, and I got the stuff that I need. So the next craft we're going to be doing is a nice one that I like. I've never tried it before, so it might not turn out as good as I hope. But it's basically a card with, inside of it, it has flowers. So you'll see what I mean. So, like drawn flowers, not real flowers. So you take your paper and you fold it like not how you would normally fold a card, like this, and then you press down. Then you open it up and you draw a bouquet. So I'm going to show you how I did with that in a second. Okay, so I have my paper right here. Let me grab a pencil, and I'm going to draw the bouquet. So, you want to draw a triangle toward the middle of the paper, then connect it like this, see? And then you're going to draw just a little bit of grass right here, so it looks legit. And then you're going to draw a few flowers. So, you can draw flowers any way you want. You can draw roses, tulips, basically anything. Or you can do a mix. So these flowers are probably not going to be perfect, but I'll come back to you guys once I'm done. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I drew the flowers. They're not that good because I told you this is my first time doing them, but I'm going to do another time lapse of me just decorating this stuff. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. Yeah, so this turned out a lot better than I thought actually. So like, you don't really need to decorate the outside of the car. I didn't, but you definitely can if you want to. I don't. It's up to you. So I'm going to go get my supplies for the next project. Okay, so the next thing is going to be like something to get them up during the day. So we're going to be writing something that they can like kind of hang on their wall, and it's going to be things with a bunch of nice notes on them to get them encouraged about getting up on the day. So they could like hang it near the bed. Don't really care what they do with it, but it's just a nice thing to make. So you fold your card in half like we did with the heart thing. And then you open it. And then you can just write a bunch of good sayings on there. So I'm going to do a time lapse of that. Okay, so I did it. I wrote a bunch of nice things. You can obviously decorate this if you want to, but I'm not going to because this video is already taking me a lot of time to film. So, yeah, so I wrote love, awesome, caring, kind, nice, amazing, the best, good, great, super, cool. You can write a lot more. I just couldn't think of any words right now. But yeah, so that's my tip number 3, and I'll be back with the next step because probably gonna do 5 things. Okay, so I only did 3 because I don't want this video to take me too long, but you can definitely do more. But so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna write a bunch of like things that they can like do, that you can do for them. So like one could be like breakfast in bed. One could be hugs. One could be car wash or something, whatever. I'll be back after I'm done. So I did it. I put movie night. I put free hugs and free car wash. So let's get on to the last crap. Okay, so the next one is going to be not that hard, but not that easy. So we're going to be drawing the people that we're giving a Valentines to. So you can draw this in any style you want. I'm going to pick the easiest style, anime kind of drawing. You'll see what I mean when I show you in the time lapse. And that's the end of this video. So comment down below which thing you like the most. And also guess who I drew. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, bye.